Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo phone. In this video, you will learn how to check your Airtel number. Suppose if you have inserted Airtel SIM card and if you don't know what is the number of your SIM, that is your dialing number, then you can easily check Airtel number. Okay, then how you can do it? Let's learn. Just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to network and internet, and here click on SIM card and network. Okay, and here click on the SIM card name, SIM1. Okay, so here click on number, and it will be showing the original number that is fetched by your network itself. Okay, so this is the number. Alternatively, you can go to the dialer, then type *282# and click call button, and USSD code will be running. Yes, hi, your mobile number is 9894393789, and yes, this is the mobile number of my Airtel SIM card. In this way, you can easily check your mobile number of Airtel SIM card in your phone that you are using. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.